Hopping off at stop, an English journey on public transportation. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of public transportation, and we're going to learn about a very crucial term, stop. The word stop is quite common, and in the context of public transportation, it holds significant importance. So, let's buckle up and start our journey. When we talk about public transportation, a stop refers to a specific place where buses, trams, or trains halt to pick up or drop off passengers. It's an essential part of any public transportation journey. Let's consider an example. Imagine you are on a bus. The driver will announce each stop as the bus approaches it. If the announced stop is your destination, you would get off the bus there. Understanding how to use stop in sentences can greatly aid in your communication during travel. Here are some examples. 1. I need to get off at the next stop. 2. Could you please tell me when we reach the Maple Street stop? 3. Is this the right stop for the museum? In addition to its literal meaning, stop is used in a number of idiomatic expressions related to travel. 1. Make a stop. This phrase is used when the vehicle halts at a stop for passengers. Example: the train makes a stop at every major city. 2. Non-stop flight. A flight that doesn't have any stops between the origin and the final destination. Example: I prefer taking non-stop flights for long journeys. Understanding these phrases will enrich your English vocabulary and enhance your comprehension while using public transportation. And there we have it. We've learned about the term stop in the context of public transportation and how to use it in sentences and phrases. Remember, practice is key in language learning, so try to use stop in your conversations as much as possible. Stay tuned for our next adventure in English language learning. Happy learning and safe travels!